See these trees? They're beautiful, aren't they? Today, I am going to talk about trees. This video ain't for everybody. If you're a lover of trees, if you're a lover of nature, you will like it or not like it. That's your choice. But if you are a lover of truth, justice, mercy, compassion, sorry for that abrupt change. If you are a lover of the one who created these trees and who created every single thing on this planet, then we can learn a lot from trees. Their colors, the way they... I'm not going to talk about the whole process, but what I am going to say is learn from the tree today. Be a good tree. You're either a good tree or a bad tree. And that decision is yours and only yours. Wise or foolish? Which one? You get to choose.